Okay, two different framework from the before the stacked porcelain directly, which is it was cracked even though metal linger. So now we fabricated another Syton 7 star. Yeah, there's 4 mouse, which is Syton 7 star. There's no margin line. Cut it. Yep, it's a little bit extended. That's good. That's good. So we're going to cover with the zirconia. And then you can increase the embrasure connection. It's more higher. So get more strength. Yes. Correct. So basically we improve from this metal framework. And who has the occlusion, heavy occlusion contact, now is protected lingual forces to Syton 7 star case. You can extend this more is fine.
From the tissue side?
No, I mean the embrasure
Oh, embrasures.
all the way halfway, more, better. Yes, that one changed everything. That one's okay. Remora is okay. That one is okay. It's a little bit here more. More down here, turn it. Okay. This is more. Because I have to grind the occlusion. It's more halfway here. Okay, more down. Okay, that was implant access. Okay, it's fine. Implant access meaning probably designed the zirconia like this.
Yeah.
Okay, now go to lateral, more down. Alright. This is more down. K9. Okay, I think premolar is not much room. I'm okay. Not much room. I hope you can add underneath just a little bit, even
Make
though.
it like
Even though half tens of millimeter, right? I don't know. It's okay. Just a little bit. That's it.
just make it flat.
That's it. Yeah. But this one is the low band. We're trying to extend the metal and support the final zirconia. More down. Good. Now premolar. And the other one. Okay. And molar. The other side, okay, so lateral more down. So like this, we just extended the metal all the way. Then facial more down. That's good. So we can get. We check the other side. Okay, that's good. Now occlusion. Okay, now no room. I got that. No room. I understand. Okay, now we have to digging. Whenever you see it one by one, you say no room, make a hole, just like digging, like scoop ice cream, you know? Yes, more up, cut it more. Make sure output is okay. Cut it more. Yep, check the occlusion. Especially inside here. Let me see. You have a room or no? Not much room. You have a room?
No.
Okay. Now you cut it more. So technically the frame is really thin. Yep. So now the frame is good. The side change a little bit. Okay, you can add a little bit more here, just inside a little bit more wider.
Make it wider.
Yeah. The inside edge area. Yes. The other side too a little bit. Nope. Only here. Okay. Now exit. Frontal view, okay. Height is good, okay. And then gingival line is good, so we can cover with the monolithic. Then I'm going to cut it here later. Anyway, this is frame, okay. Occlusion. There's lack of room, so make thin as possible. Alright, then make sure the joint area was good. It's not breaking. Underneath or even 5/10 millimeters to be added with porcelain. Alright, that's cool. Alright, now milling. Okay, two different framework from the before the stacked porcelain directly, which is it was cracked even though metal linger. So now we fabricated another Syton 7 star, which is the chrome cover, and then we're going to cover with the top of this implant in zirconia. We're going to add porcelain underneath to make a little bit more jointing between the teeth. So make the bridge of the fascia. Interior and as well as the will be slightly out the fascia because of lack of room. So trying to, and also the problem is this less vertical dimension. It's a hard time to fit it. Right now, this one is pretty opaque, except the bend. Okay, so this one is the lack of room, which is a vertical dimension. It's very tight. 7-star case. Now designing about the frame from the 7 stars chrome cover. Yeah. Okay. Then this one we're going to modify, then we're going to finish soon. Alright, cool. Alright, so full mouse, 7 star from inside frame. We're going to finish with the zirconia occlusion view here. So stop line is over there, so we cover with the porcelain underneath. Right, then the zirconia, yes, that one underneath with the porcelain added with the chrome cover. Now show me the frame. Alright, that was this frame was really tight, vertical dimension. So make the one unit that we're trying to fit here. We're going to cement two, which is lack of the vertical dimensions. This is the mono. This is the best way for tensile strength. Okay, so another case is coming up. Trying to fit it. The problem is a little bit undercut. There's a lot of undercut between the teeth. So we have to almost no pink. Now I have to make a little bit more retentions metal in order to make these pink porcelain, and there's not much retention due to vertical dimension. It's so tight. Now I just finish it like here. Now this is final Syton 7-star case. This one is porcelain fused to metal directly, but unfortunately 3 years later it's broke. So we made this good frame design in the subtle pink with the metal band, and then make this entire zirconia bridge with a long span and it's really lack of room for vertical dimension. Why we had a problem previously. I wish patient can do this one and they increase the vertical dimensions, but there's more great story for that. And here is his guidance for what this one is failed. Okay, and then you saw our design, and then finish them up with a Syton 7-star, the frame design with a chrome core. It is really good. Sure. And then top of this, we make these shoulder stuff. And this is the finals. Before we cementing, I will show you the layers about what cement look like. Okay. Alright, it's a very tough case. It's very minimum space in between the teeth. See? So whenever I made it with the SAM's articulations, here's a big problem, but this is a vertical dimension. It's very, very tight. Okay. So therefore, there's a lot of issue, and also the lower has a lot of grindings. You see, the fake restorations. We're going to big problem in the future, but now we're going to cementing soon. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I took it out from the model. It was nice. The lingual side is nice polished though, with a bend. I'm trying to minimize the Kahng as much as possible. Now is the finished one. Okay, there's this.